You're listening to another episode of Retail Shift, business advice for inventory-based brands and the merchants who run them. I'm Chris Guillo, CEO of Merchant Method, and your retail coach for the next few minutes. One of the things you have to know about me is that I love a solid, high-functioning relationship, especially when it comes to business partners. But let's be honest, they are so much work and require a lot of effort and a lot of time. And here's why. Because we're humans dealing with other humans. And it's unfortunate that there are fewer of these high-functioning business partnerships than there should be. So in today's podcast episode, I'm going to help you take that next step to fix your high-maintenance, pain-in-the-butt partnership. And it starts with a really simple 10-minute reflection. And listening to this is part of that reflection period. You'll be answering 5 questions. Now, I'm going to support you with a quicker than usual episode and then share with you these 5 questions so you can be on your way. So we're going to get straight into it. Do you have a high-maintenance partnership that you found yourself in? Maybe something that is challenging with another business, maybe even on your street, or another vendor that you work with. Maybe it's a high-maintenance creative collaboration, which is surprising because you're working with another creative. And I can totally see how you've found yourself in this kind of situation and why you're still in it. But I want you to know that you don't have to be. So whether you're dealing with a manufacturer or a maker, a retailer, a broker or an agent, or just another vendor in our space of entrepreneurship, like a writer, a photographer, a web developer, a social media manager, whatevs, it can be different than it is now. So the good news is that I'm going to share with you 5 self-revealing, illuminating questions to ask yourself. This is step 1. And you know I've got your back. So if you're driving or not in a place to take notes, go to merchant.tips/8, merchant.tips, TIPS/8. And these questions, along with a few choice resources, are going to be waiting for you. Okay, let's dive in. So question number 1, how did this business partnership become to be high maintenance? How did this business partnership become high maintenance? Question 2, how is this partnership different than you expected it to be? How is this partnership different than you expected it to be? Number 3, what's this partnership really worth to you and to your business? What's this partnership really worth to you and your business? Number 4, how are you contributing to the nature or the context of this partnership? How are you contributing to the nature or context of this partnership? And then question number 5 is the juicy juice one. It's really good. If this partnership were to be fixed or improved or salvaged, or if this partnership were to grow, what must be true? So if this partnership were to be improved, what must be true? And I really want you to explore this last question because therein lies the real clarity that you've been looking for and will naturally point you in a direction for fixing this partnership that so badly wants to be fixed. And really, that's it. Once you've taken the time to answer these questions, you'll get a general sense of how to take action. My promise to you is that I'm here to support you, and in a way that's you-centered. You don't have to be like me. You don't have to plan like me. You don't have to have my exact experience to really take advantage of the tips I'm sharing here on Retail Shift. Remember, knowledge and action are most effective when they're applied within the context of your unique business using your unique business style. So when I was thinking about how do I deliver on my promise to you, I thought, wouldn't it be cool to help you discover how you move and groove so that you can leverage that even more, use it to your advantage even more than you already are? So to help you with that, I developed a free 1-minute quiz to help you understand your retail success style. And I'm so excited about it. I've been testing it out with a select group of merchants for the past few months, and I'm finally ready to share it with you. All you have to do is go to merchantmethod.com/quiz. When you do, after you take your quiz, you'll get specific tips from me based on your success style. Resources like the best of, audio lessons, video tutorials, and even detailed guides if you're into that thing. Now, can I be honest with you? This is going to be the easiest homework I ever give you on this podcast. You are literally 60 seconds away from massive insight. I mean, how cool is that? Again, I'll catch you over at merchantmethod.com/quiz. And with that, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. It would not be the same without you.